Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Buki, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so today we are going to look at the problem on the board on what variation, okay, or proportion. So the question says if y varies inversely as the square of x. So let's underline that statement, okay. In maths, you want to understand, the statement or the question you're dealing with so that you can be able to solve it with ease. So let's write out what that statement means mathematically. So y, okay, is our sign for what variation, okay. So inversely means I have to put this, okay. So inversely as the square of x. So it means we are going to say x squared. So what does this show us? We can now introduce a constant. We change the sign of proportionality into equal to and use a constant to multiply this, okay. So that will give us y is equals to k times 1 is k divided by what? X squared. So this equation is very important and useful. Okay, so this is the equation connecting what? Y and x. So we are going to solve for the value of k here and bring it back to this equation to enable us solve any other problem. So the equation says, and y is equals to half when x is equals to what? 2. Yeah, most questions on proportionality, they will always give you, something like this that enables you to find the value of k. So let's find the value of k. So I'm going to cross multiply it. So our k is going to be y times what? Or say x squared times what? Y. Our k is equals to what? So what's our x? Our x is 2, so I'm going to substitute it as 2 squared multiplied by what? We have y as what? Half. This will give us 2 squared is 4. Okay. So we have 4 times 1, which is the 4 divided by what? 2. So 4 divided by 2 is going to give us what? 2. So our value for k is equals to 2. Now, this equation, we are going to input k here as what? 2. So our y is equals to what? We have 2 over what? X what squared. Alright. Now that we have been able to develop this, we can now solve the equation what? Further. So let's solve the equation further. Okay. So let's read the statement. It says, now find the positive value of x when y is equals to 18. Now remember it says positive value. So it means you can get a positive and as well a negative value of what? X. So let's see how that works. Now the question says y is equals to 18. So I'm going to input y as what? 18 is equals to what? We have 2 divided by what? We have x squared. Remember, we're looking for x, so we have x whole squared. I can start to write this as 18 over 1. Then at this point, what do? We can simply what? Cross multiply. Okay. So let's cross multiply. What that means is x is going to multiply 18 and 1 is going to multiply what? 2. So let's do that. So we have 18 times what? X squared, which is what? 18 multiply x squared, which is equals to 1 times 2, which is still 2. Now our x is going to be what we are going to divide both sides by 18. Okay, so these will cancel out this. So we are left with what? X squared on the left hand side. Now, for the fact that we are left with x squared, we can also cancel out this. 2 into this is 1. 2 into this is what? 9. So my x squared is equals to what? 1 over what? 9. Now from that, what can we do to be able to find the value of x? We are going to what? Take what? Square root. So we are going to take square root on both sides. So let's take the square root on both sides. So if I take the square root of x squared, I'm also going to what? Take the square root of 1 over 9. Well, we can say plus or minus square root of what? 1 over what? 9. So this will cancel out this, so we are left with x, which is equals to what? Plus or minus. Now this, we know is also what? Plus or minus square root of 1 divided by what? Square root of 9. Applying the principle of sort. So the square root of 1 is 1, okay, and the square root of 9 is 3. So the value for x, okay, is either positive 1 over 3 or negative 1 over 3. But the question says we should find the positive value of what x. So the positive value of x in this problem is what? Plus what? 1 over 3. So that gives us the simple solution. As I thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and always share these videos to students that it may be of help. I'll see you guys in my next one.